today we will discuss about second part of the class 2 topics helping verbs. In this video we will learn uses of was. Use of was, and it is used with noun and pronoun and used in past. Here is am is present and its past was. Are is present and its past were. Now let's see first uses of was. Was uses with I, he, she, it and singular noun. Now let's see more example of it. So student, here is an example of was. Now look first I. I was in class UKG last year. So student, last year indicated sentence in past. So we use was. He. I is singular. So we uses was. And here is he. He is also singular. He was late for school. Here is a she. She is also singular. She was hungry last night. I'll go to the next sentence. It. It was hot in the afternoon. Here is a singular noun. Mita was not at the home. So Mita is singular. So we use was. Now look at the next. Our helping verb was were. So student, here is the uses of were. Now in these sentences we will learn how to use were. So first helping verb is we. So we is plural. We uses were with we, you, they and plural noun. So first off learn how to we use we. We were in kindergarten last year. Here is the next you. You were class monitor last month. Now here is next helping verb is they. They were in Kolkata yesterday. And here is the plural noun. The fruits were in the bowl. So here is a plural noun. So we use were. Now let's see some more uses of was and were, so that you can better understand by these sentences. So student, here is a more uses of was and were. Let's see more example of these uses. It a sunny day. Now you guess what with it was or were. Now it is a singular, so we use was. It was a sunny day. Now look at the next. You angry. Now what is with you were? You is singular form, but we uses were of it. Here is they. They is a singular form, plural form, so we uses were. They were unwell. Here is I is singular, so we uses was. I was the class monitor. Here is Rohini was also singular, so we uses was. Rohini was a cricketer. Here is a we is in plural form, so we uses with were. We were in the football team. Here is a Viren and Tanya. So Viren and Tanya were plural form, so we uses were. were late. So Viren and Tanya were late. So student, I hope you all understand by this chapter uses of helping verb. So thank you.